This is a tutorial on how to create the perfect banner for your YouTube channel. We'll start this off by typing YouTube into the search bar. From here, we'll click the YouTube link. We'll go to the top right of the screen where you'll find your profile picture. Click on your channel. You'll find your channel, and as you can see, it looks a little bit plain. Our last video, we created a beautiful profile picture, but it still needs a little spice. So we'll go to channel customization here, and we can go to branding. And from here, we can access the banner image, which is what we can upload. Any banner, which will make your profile look professional and just look clean overall. So that's how you upload a banner to your YouTube channel. To create a banner, we're going to open up a new tab and type in Canva YouTube banner. That's all you need to type. Once you have that typed in, scroll down a couple notches and you'll see the canva.com website. Click that and it'll bring you to their home page. From here, you can click this middle button. It'll take you right to their studio, accept all cookies, and we can skip this tour and away we go. I usually start off by typing in a word that kind of relates to my current logo, and I typed in money. This is what came up, and I wasn't too pleased with it, and I did want a banner with a black background or a dark background, so I typed in black, and this is what I got. Quite a few options. I found this banner, and I wasn't too impressed with it, so I ended up going with this next one. The beautiful thing about Canva is you can customize things to pretty decent level, so there's things about this banner that I do like, and there's some things that I don't like. I'll just remove all the things that I don't like. I'm going to type in my username here, and we will make it to size. These banners do come out to be quite zoomed in, so those large dots you see in the corner, you probably won't even see that in your banner when you create it and post it as a web browser view. You would be able to see it on a smart TV, but not on your website browser. And as you can see, I am trying to come up with a catchphrase here. That's very important. I ended up coming up with growing together forever. Seems kind of weird. We'll think on that one. I don't know. Seemed right at the time, but we'll see how it goes throughout this video. I have a feeling there's a chance we might change it. So I wanted to get rid of all the red, and you can easily adjust all these colors by clicking on the element and just selecting through the color wheel to choose the color of your desire. I definitely decided to change it, so I'm going to go with "We are in this together." I think that seems a little less creepy, and I think we'll go with it. It looks like we're ready to download. We'll head to the top right of the screen, click download, go down to download once more, click it again. We can get rid of that, grab our downloaded file, drag it onto our desktop, head back up to the channel customization settings, go to banner image, click upload, and then grab your file and click open. As you can see, it's quite zoomed in. It will show you a preview of the mobile, TV, and desktop version of what your banner will look like. You go up to the top right once again and click publish, and as you can see, the preview has changed, and you can click view channel, and here we go. 0 to monetization. We are in this together. There's our beautiful profile picture, and our profile is coming along. Signing in on a mobile device to see how our banner will look. Not too bad. I would feel comfortable starting my YouTube channel out like this. However, there are some other things you can do. You can set trailer videos that will automatically play for new and returning channel subscribers. Check out our next video and we'll show you how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe below. Leave a comment and let us know how you're doing on your YouTube journey.